Alright guys, let's start with the banana. This one's loud. Wow. Quite loud. I'd say so. What is going on, guys? We are driving the yellow Cobra right now. Doesn't have AC. It's hot as hell here in Florida. But we're going down to BC Racing. They got to get a few more measurements for the IRS coilover kit. I forgot how loud this car is. It is insane. Just obnoxious. I kind of like it. So we're gonna head over there, get some measurements so that hopefully they can finalize the kit, because I know a lot of you guys were asking about it. And yeah, so now that I got the car fixed, all the wiring fixed yesterday, we're also gonna raise the car a little bit. I just had to, you know, too low obviously, which warmed up a wiring harness. So let's go do it. And this thing is crazy loud. We'll put it in third. As you guys know, it still has a messed up third gear. This thing is obnoxious. Oh my God. Wow. Yeah, this thing is crazy loud. I'm sure it doesn't sound good through the camera. I think it actually kind of sounds good. Driven this car much on the street, so it's kind of a treat to enjoy it a little bit right now and actually feel the car, you know. Alright guys, we have made it to the wonderful BC Racing, and we're gonna get the car up on the lift. They got some measurements to do. We're gonna raise the car a little bit, and yeah, so let's go talk to Wes. Alright, so we just made it over to BC Racing. For those of you guys who don't know, BC Racing makes coilovers. They made the full IRS coilover kit for that car. And what's he doing? He's trying to get in the car, I don't know.
As soon as I opened the door, they were everywhere.
Oh no, dude. I just drove this here.
Where'd they all come from? As soon as I opened the door, they were like, watch. As soon as I opened the door, they were everywhere.
Dude, I just drove the car here.
Look, 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 look. One there.
Oh no.
Look, look, look. They're on this. They're on your carpet, bro.
Oh.
Look at that. They're. Oh. What?
No.
Where? Look at these guys.
Dude, I just drove all the way here.
How did you get to?
I didn't even
get here without getting eaten.
Oh my God.
Yikes. Yeah. They're like on a mission. Look how big those guys are.
Holy crap.
Oh shit. Look at them.
That's really not cool, dude. Yeah.
Where they came from. Here, you can pull them in. You can pull it in.
Oh my God. There's ants everywhere. I don't know how I made it. Balls of steel.
Gotta get done.
I don't have any ants on me. Ants just came from everywhere in the car. This car needs to be burnt with fire now. Can't be having ants. need race ramps or anything, but
we're gonna find out real quick.
You okay? You live?
Hey.
Hey, somehow I made it here and didn't get any on me.
Yes.
I think you might need to give me a ride to the store and get some ant spray.
That's what we could do real quick. Actually. Why don't we
kill them all with fire.
Why don't we do that right quick?
Yeah. Dude, that's how I feel. I drove all the way here and nothing.
Yikes.
Oh
it's okay. I'm still alive. We made it.
Oh my God.
We're BC strong here.
Yeah.
Cool. I got a little bit of the woolies.
Yeah.
But, I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. Let's look up to see what kills these guys.
All right. So the ants don't like brake cleaner.
Obviously.
That's what we figured out. There's significantly less ants. We'll hit them with round 2 in a little bit after we get some measurements. And hopefully I'll be able to drive this thing back and not die.
At least we don't have to worry about the race ring. Very well.
All right, so we got the car jacked up on the lift, and you can see the coilover kit. We can see that we had a little bit of rubbing up there, so we're gonna raise the car a little bit all the way around. Obviously, I talked to you guys before about this car needing bushings. If put in perspective, I don't know if the camera's really picking up the movement, but let's see right there. That's got some movement there. Same thing on the other side. So those bushings definitely need to be replaced. I think all the way inside as well. So that's definitely one of the next projects for this car. It definitely needs some bushings in the rear end. These ones I can replace without dropping the rear end. The rest of them, really, I need to drop the rear end to be able to do them. Over here is where we repaired the wiring harness, and it looks pretty good. We didn't have any rubbing on the way over here, so everything works in the car too, which is awesome. Alright, so we have to do the unfortunate thing of raising it. Never want to raise it, but
it's definitely something that has to get done if you obviously.
Yeah, on the street it's perfectly fine. It's just when you're road course drifting, it needs a little bit of raise. Alright, so we got the car raised slightly, about an inch, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna see where it sits. It's still gonna be low. It's not gonna be as low, but it'll still be low, a little bit more functional for race and drift.
Yes.
I want to reiterate that the previous setup is perfectly functional for street and stance.
Yeah.
It's just when you race it a little bit hardcore, she was rubbing. Yeah, I think that looks good.
That's definitely it. That's
You know. A little settle. Yeah, it's got a little bit more height, but it's still, it's still looking pretty good.
Very good. Nice, and it still has that rake to it. So
Yeah, should give me a little bit more function. Team no ants.
Team no ants. You gotta know about that story. Good times.
Oh yeah. Fortunately, we had to raise it, but it's a good square setup. It'll settle down another 1/8 of an inch or something.
Yes, it will. All of them usually settle after you've driven it for about 5 miles. After it settles, definitely take it to the track whenever you feel ready.
Yeah.
Let us know how it feels. We haven't changed any spring setups or cartridges. We just actually changed the ride height. So whatever damping you're using, you might want to note that for, I guess, your viewers, so that way they know exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
What, because a lot of people are going to want to probably do exactly what you're doing. So just let them know what settings you have, basically what modifications, as far as maybe arms and stuff like that as you move forward. But
Yep.
Right now, you're the first one with this kit. So I hope now it doesn't chew up your wiring.
Yeah, and you guys are going to be, I think, what, final measurements now for this? So
These
this
are the
should
final
be
measurements, so we should be able to complete the kit now and put it into production.
Yeah.
So thank you very much again, Andrew, for bringing the car by to us and giving us the time to experiment.
Yeah.
And try it out and see what our kit does on this vehicle and how it acts and reacts to everything. So
exactly.
Now the only thing moving forward is to see how it behaves on the track.
Yep.
And how you feel when behind the wheel. So,
especially as we get a little bit more angle up front.
yes, and whatever other modifications.
Probably gonna space out the front wheels and figure all that stuff out so that.
Because you are using bigger wheels as well.
Yeah, these are 9-inch fronts with a 275 up front.
Yeah. So an 18, 9.5 front, and then what is that? 10? 11?
10, yeah.
10 in the back. But
yeah, I don't drift on those rears. I just use these front tires.
Yes. So definitely lunchtime.
Yeah.
Lunchtime, and
that sounds good.
We'll come back and see how it drives.
All right, ant situation has been resolved, and their new ride height set up. Still looks pretty low on camera. Oh my God, there's bug on camera. Oh my God. I can't win.
Oh shit, he wasn't looking.
Yeah. I can't win.
Oh shit.
What? No.
Yeah, they're fucking everywhere, bro.
Oh. All right, I'm gonna try hopping in. Okay. Please, no more ants. Alright guys, so I realized I didn't wrap up this video, so I wanted to wrap it up real quick. So the Cobra is now all set. It runs, it drives, it is higher off the ground, so we should be good to go ahead and race this thing, autocross, drifting, and stuff like that. So I am very excited that that is done on the car now. So we did have an ant problem in the car, which I guess was from it sitting in the driveway for so long. The ants crawled up inside, and not a fun scenario. I didn't film quite all of us killing it, but there was a lot in there, and I think it's okay now. We used some ant spray, some ant traps, and pretty much isolated it. I don't know how I made it over there without dying, but yeah, I don't like bugs. There's my little confession. I'm a baby when it comes to bugs, ants, anything, spiders. I mean, I'll kill them. I'm not gonna run for my life, but definitely don't feel comfortable being around that stuff. So I hope you guys are excited for everything we have coming. We are going to be taking the Bullet to the track this weekend, so I hope you guys are really excited for that. And of course, we have some awesome things coming for the Cobra. We got to figure out some suspension stuff, you know, in the rear end, and you know, we need a harness bar, we need another matching Corbo seat, so we got a lot of things to figure out, and of course we need tires for drifting and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that, and if you guys want to check out MustangLifestyle.net, we have key tags available there. We're working on some new shirts, hopefully be launched before Mustang Week so we can bring them with us, and we have a lot of fun stuff, so I hope you guys are excited. We have some new wheels coming for the GT500, so be excited for that. Got some new wheels coming for the truck, so lots of cool stuff, lots of things keeping us busy. Still working on everything, getting the built motor ready for next month after Mustang Week. Of course, we got these cams that you guys are all excited about. Oh, and if anyone needs 56-pound injectors, definitely hit me up. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.